So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in bcd edit space /set space hypervisor launch type space off and then click on enter. Next, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. Once you run this, make sure that you have Hyper-V unticked, so you want to turn that off. Scroll down until you find Windows Hypervisor Platform and Virtual Machine Platform. Turn off both of these as well. So you want to untick those three and then click on OK. If you had them installed, it's going to start uninstalling it for you. Next, you want to go to search and type in core isolation. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to turn off memory integrity. You want to turn this off. For the last step, restart your computer. And then that's how you do it. You're going to be getting better emulator performance and the virtual machine service is going to be disabled.